Casino operator, the Star Entertainment Group. Remember them? They'll resume trading on the stock market this morning after being suspended from the index since February. And we've been trading now for 20 minutes. Edward Boyd joins us now. So what's happened with the Star and their shares this morning? So
they were paused at 11 cents per share. Now, I've just seen on Reuters they are up actually to 12 cents, which is up 13% in early trade. That's according to Reuters. But let's just have a look at what's happened to the Star's share price over the past 12 months and then over the past 5 years. Basically, the company, there you go, down 77% over the past year. If we go to the next page, we should have the past 5 years as well. You can see down 96%. The Star was at buying more than $3 a share just 5 years ago. It's all been falling due to less people gambling in Australia, a big increase in the regulation for Australia's gaming sectors. Obviously, there was a series of inquiries into the Star over money laundering allegations as well. That had a big hit to the company's reputation. But they were given a lifeline, just finalised it a couple of weeks ago. Bally's Corporation, a US-based business that owns 19 casinos in America, has basically given them a $300 million lifeline and has rescued the business. What's going to happen is Bally's Corp is going to end up owning 60% of all of the shares in the Star. So they're going to be the main controlling interest in the Star. Obviously, with the share price lifting today, investors are clearly getting some confidence that Bally's Corp knows what they're doing and the business is going to continue trading, because the big fear was the Star would go bankrupt, would lose all of their employees in both Sydney and Brisbane. Here's the share price. It's a little early, unfortunately, for our market to grab the actual shares. It says they're currently paused at 0%, but we should hopefully get that figure.
They've gone up 1 cent.
They've gone up 1 cent, according to Reuters. So
what are the expectations?
The expectation was for them to actually open at 8 cents because Bally's Corp, when they did the deal, they bought the Star shares at a price of 8 cents. So they bought them at a discount. But they've gone up. So the expectation was for the shares to fall. Instead, they're in positive territory. So that's good. But remember, they were more than $3 a few years ago. They're now at 12 cents.
And now at 12 cents. Okay.
Yep.
Well, let's look at iron ore miner Rio Tinto. They say Donald Trump's tariffs are creating uncertainty for the global economy and commodity prices in particular.
Rio Tinto, they've put out their Q1 results this morning. They say the tariffs are causing uncertainty. They obviously don't want to say too much. They've been very careful with their commentary. But Rio Tinto's iron ore business, during the first quarter, there were 4 tropical cyclones that severely affected their iron ore mining operations in the Pilbara. They say it's going to cost them $150 million to fix up some of their facilities there, and it's resulted in one of their lowest iron ore outputs in about a decade. Obviously, bad weather events occur quite regularly up in the top of Western Australia. It affects all the mining companies up there, but Rio Tinto this time around were hit the hardest out of them, BHP, Fortescue Minerals and Mineral Resources. So Rio put out their results today. We'll get BHP's quarterly production results tomorrow. They might have a cheeky comment around tariffs as well.
So they want to kind of fly under the radar. Uncertainty is probably what we're going to get from BHP as well?
Probably. I'd say they're going to be very straight down the line and not say too much to rock the boat at all.
Okay, we'll see. Ed, thanks so much for that.
Laura.
Appreciate it.